Crazy.
Hi, this is Denise and Craig from the Refuel Festival and the Filling Station Trust.
We just want to take a few moments to explain a bit more about what Refuel is all about and how we came to be involved in this adventure in the first place.
Yeah, so stay tuned and you'll find out a bit more.
Thank you so much for staying with us. As I said, over the next few days we're going to be launching 4 or 5 videos which attempt to go more deeply into explaining what Refuel is all about and how this adventure became very, very real for Denise and I.
Yeah, we're currently regional consultants for the Filling Station Trust, and we travel around the country meeting all the different teams that cover most of the denominations in Scotland.
Yeah. And a bit more about us, you know, we've been married for 25 years, we have a teenage family, and in between Filling Station and Refuel we run an architectural business here in the north of Scotland which keeps us busy. And looking back over the last couple of years, we've just become very aware of how incredibly unconditionally supportive people have been to get us and this festival to where it is. People have backed it without knowing much about us, not knowing much about what the festival is all about and its vision. And moving into year 3, God has made it very clear that we are to explain more deeply what the vision for Refuel is and who we are and what we think God is doing with it in the nation.
Yeah, so tune in to the next video where we're going to share with you about the vision for Scotland that we think God's given us.
Stay tuned.